Fashionista.
Guys, someone asked me to do this video, but it's for Uncle Kenji! Woo-hoo! I'm so sorry, Uncle Kenji, but...
Ou te met ap amede yon moun li repon nou 2025. Ou te met ap amede yon moun li repon nou 2020. Taylor.
Uncle Kenji, this is 2025. What do you mean about 2010? What do you mean about 2010? It's 2025. 2010. Bye bye. I love you.